If you're a Government of Guam employee putting money into a direct contribution plan, you might want to watch your retirement savings closely. Retirement Fund Board Chairman Jyoti San Agustin explains the financial turmoil in the stock market is affecting how soon GovGuam workers can retire under the new 401k plan.
The individual members should be watching that and tailor their needs, and also figure what if they're going to retire in 10 years, then perhaps they should take a look and see what they can do, shifting their investment. But if they're going to retire in the next 2 years, then they better start thinking.
San Agustin says government retirees under the old defined benefit plan are safe because they will still receive their benefits. He adds a total $1.2 billion retirement fund assets are down 7% since the financial crisis began. However, he says they are closely watching 38% of the fund kept in U.S. stocks, which amounts to roughly $450 million. San Agustin assures island residents' market fluctuations are just part of dealing with the stock exchange.
What you're seeing now in the market is what they call unrealized capital loss, which is nothing more than a paper loss. It's not cash.
While the financial crisis is a present-day concern, Great West Retirement Services Regional Director Michael Perez says people should be focusing on long-term financial goals. He says an avenue for investment advice is needed for new retirement plan holders.
The bigger concern is you can ask any Government of Guam employee in the defined contribution plan, would you like investment advice? And unfortunately, we're not advisors. We're here to educate the employee, to give them basic financial and investment concepts. But to give them actual investment advice is something that the retirement fund should look at doing.
The bottom line, San Agustin says, is that the retirement fund is still meeting payroll and paying out benefits. But his advice to people is to sit tight and not panic, because you only lose when you sell.
You guys sit down, watch, settle, sit by the sideline and watch until the dust settles. And they're all holding tight. The market goes up. Just don't sell. Don't panic. And I think that's the key here.
Josh Tukenko, PNC News in Mighty.
People are really panicking.